on our way to Cali.
Okay, I'm at the airport. This is my outfit.
Recheck.
At LaGuardia. Did it smell like the Uber driver pooted at some point? Me? I don't know if this is considered a trick. She tucked the jacket under the watch. So, and okay.
Then you did it.
So there's a Shake Shack. Some kind of urban coffee thing. That looks like it might have something I could eat or something. A whole restaurant. Who would be like fine dining in an airport? You know? Like business people, I guess, right? That's just weird to me. You know what I mean? That's like fine dining at a gas station. Already. I was saying the lighting in here is amazing, as you can tell.
Is it?
No, I'm being sarcastic. I'm already thirsty. I drank water before we left, and like we haven't been out of the house for that long. Look, why is yours? Oh, maybe. Oh, okay. I think it partially just kind of looked. Look at how much better yours looks. Oh my gosh, I need some of your footage.
Don't mind.
Look at how much better the quality is. I'm gonna borrow some of your footage. Hey guys, so. LOL. So I went to the little, like, you know, like a little place where you get like water and stuff, and I was like on the way, like literally 5 feet from us right now. So I'm thirsty. Like we haven't been out for like even 30 minutes, maybe 30 minutes or something like that.
An hour maybe.
And I'm already so thirsty right now. $5 for like maybe 16 ounces of water. It's kind of crazy. $5 for smart water. Smart water is like $1. That markup is like 7 million %.
That's expensive.
Oil, my hands are so dry. Do you know?
Walkway something.
The BK?
Just to stand on line.
A pleasant good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard United Flight Service to Denver International Airport. My name is Loveee, your person for this 20 minutes.
First vacation and like ever. We've traveled a lot, but first vacation since I went to see Katia probably in 2008.
The following for safety presentation of the 2737.
Yes, this would be a little.
On the return door, all right, we'll stand by for local.
I'm chilling. I'm so proud of myself.
She did great. Oh my gosh. Got me.
Watch your step.
Do you remember?
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
Stand in that corner. The bottle is not suiting you at all. It is.
I need to see your return flight ticket.
Look at the bathroom. Look at the bed. Come on, let's wrap it up. Cause we gotta go. We gotta.
Where are we going?
Do you need
We just
cash?
gotta-
Do you need storage?
oh, we should have asked about the ATM. I
So
don't
let's
want to
go
run
ask
back
her.
out.
We
I
have
gotta
to get
sit.
up. Let's say Fashion Nova makes a decent pair of jeans. 'Cause
You're in.
I just tucked these jeans and they definitely did not rip. So.
And she's in. But if you guys would have seen the work together, it was made for TV.
It was a made-for-TV movie.
Turn around, let me see that.
Let me see.
Fucking